Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make praline ice cream. We will begin by preparing the star of our show, the praline itself. This involves caramelizing nuts to create a sweet, crunchy addition. Next, we will move on to crafting a luxurious, smooth ice cream base. Finally, we will combine these two elements to achieve a truly irresistible frozen treat, perfect for any occasion. Get ready to churn up some magic. To make the praline, combine 1 cup of your favorite nuts, such as pecans or almonds, with half a cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of water in a saucepan. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly, until the sugar melts, caramelizes, and beautifully coats all the nuts. Once golden brown, quickly spread the hot praline onto a sheet of parchment paper to cool and harden. After it is completely cool, break it into small, crunchy pieces. Now, let's create our velvety ice cream base. In a bowl, whisk 6 egg yolks with half a cup of granulated sugar until they are pale and fluffy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk until it just begins to simmer. Slowly pour the hot cream mixture into the egg yolks, whisking continuously to temper them. Return the custard to the pan and cook over low heat, stirring, until it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Once your custard base is completely chilled, it is time for the exciting part. Churning. Pour the cold base into your ice cream maker and churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for 20 to 30 minutes. During the final 5 minutes of churning, gradually add your crushed praline pieces, allowing them to distribute evenly. Transfer the freshly churned ice cream to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 4 hours to achieve that perfect, scoopable consistency. Enjoy your homemade praline ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.